leave the tint on, but the clothes off. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. This is a 20-something. This is a 2019 Lexus NX 300 F Sport, and the F stands for fun. And what we're going to be doing today is tinting this window with a 45% nano ceramic window tint. Of course, it's just going to be demo only because 45 on the windshield is illegal. But before we do that, let's walk around the shop. This is a 2024 Lexus IS 350 S Sport. Again, the F stands for Connor's tinting the front two windows. We are removing old film, replacing it with a nano ceramic 30% premium film. And then on the front windshield, we're also going to be doing a premium nano ceramic 45% film. Same thing we're doing on that one. Let's get back to that Lexus and start banging it up. Whoa, whoa. One thing everybody has questions about when they tint their windshield. In Texas, we have these registration stickers that has the month and the year that your vehicle registration expires. People always ask me, how do you get this off? So if your windshield's not tinted, super easy. Just take a razor blade, stainless steel, of course. Just start picking at a corner. You just have to push down very little and then peel this off. Most of the time it's gonna come off with residue on the window. Some of it stays on the sticker. Super easy to take off. Now to get this residue off, we're just gonna spray it with Windex, take our Olfa knife, scrape it off, and we're done. Very important, if your windshield is tinted, do not do this. Use your fingernail, same thing, pick at that corner, slowly peel it off. So the first thing we're going to do, just because it helps with getting this done a little bit quicker, and because the outside is clean already, before we shrink, so this would be pre-shrink, take our Windex. Everybody should know why. If you don't know why, go ahead and leave a comment, and then I'll make a video explaining why I do it again. Spray the window down with your Windex. Cover it everywhere. Take your scrub pads. This is our Long Pro Prep with the scrub pad on it. We're gonna use this to hit the bottom of the windshield. And then we're gonna take our little scrubby and go ahead and scrub the rest of it. Ooh. I think this helps speed up the process just because now everything on the inside is done. All we have to do is do our final squeegee and throw the film on the window. Now we need to jump on the outside, obviously prep it, shrink the film to the shape of the window, cut it out with our Olfa knife, and
Olfa ain't a sponsor.
Oh yeah, that's the second time I said that, huh?
Yeah.
It's on me. Como se dice? Yep. Yeah, bro, just hit the record button. We should talk about something while there's nothing to talk about. Like, we should talk about why gas prices are like $3.75 a gallon. Has anybody seen my knife? Nice call, shotty. What are we? Back 45. Cut. Hey, Connor, you come help me throw this across. All right. Come on. So light 'em up. Not that much. It's a big windshield.
Just a rage bait challenge? Feels like he's rage baiting you over there.
Are you rage baiting me? He is trying to rage bait me.
You know, in Batman, before the Joker blows up those cruise ships, it's like,
Yeah.
and here we go. That's what we need to keep in there right there.
Hey man, if you want fireworks, I'll give you fireworks.
Pretty spot on from the other day. Anyway, I mean, dead silence.
Throw this video in the trash.
This is a bad time to tell you I got two knives over here.
Dude just be spawning knives from his inventory. He put the infinite knife mod on. God, what am I cutting this with a butter knife? What's up guys? Today I'm gonna set this Lexus on fire. We gotta buy a new car. I wonder.
Yeah.
Whew, it's got some bite to it. We could see fireworks. All right, now we'll actually catch you up and stop kind of slacking off here. So we have the film on the outside of the windshield, obviously with our dry shrink solution beneath it. What we need to do now, grab the heat gun, This one has a lot more fingers than kind of what I was expecting. The edges, it kind of bites a little bit. And by bite, I just mean it kind of curves a little harder, which is why these fingers are a little bit larger. If for some reason this doesn't shrink properly, you could see this heat gun fly across the shop today. So strap in or strap up. Couple different ways you can shrink a windshield. You can kind of shrink it like I was just doing, where you heat it up and push it down at the same time. Or you can shrink it like this, where you just kind of shrink one section. This is how Connor shrinks it. I shrink it like this sometimes too. Really wasn't as bad as I thought. Shouldn't have said that.
You'll learn.
Should I shrink the other side with a torch? Good luck. Oh, I don't really know what I'm doing here. Just kind of doing it. All we need to do is cut and trace the film to the outline of the window.
And then we'll throw it on the inside.
27 years old, by the way. Beat myself to it. I think my foot is stuck under the seat. I'm not even joking. Oh, yeah? Might as well let Connor squeegee the inside of that, huh?
I ain't nationally embarrassing myself like that.
Nationally. I'm gonna prep it on the outside and then you just squeegee it and we'll throw it in there.
No, not happening.
Get some redemption, dog.
I told you I'm never squeegeeing another window of yours and you're never touching another one of mine. I'll help you clean the outside, but I'm not touching your window anymore.
Hammer time.
I'll squeegee my windshields.
Not that it matters. This isn't even the film he's getting. We're just doing this film for the video.
Are you really?
Everybody believes me when I say that because it's true. Trust me.
Cade made a
Oh, that is
really
70.
good looking pasta up here at the front. I wonder if he minds if I smack it while he's back there doing that.
Dude, this
windshield.
guy jacked my glass cleaner again. I guarantee you he's got two over here. You know when you die in Fortnite and your loot just goes everywhere? Or Minecraft? If you go look in a car Connor's working on, it looks like he died in the car and all of his loot's laying all on the inside. Like, we'll be wrapping up the car and I'm like, Connor, come get your loot.
At least I didn't spit on your tool for a video, then give it back to you without telling you.
Yeah, that was crazy.
I'm sitting there, I'm on Instagram and I see a new reel. He spits on the Quarter Pro. That's mine.
Which is fully his tool, by the way.
Yeah, it's not like we share it. It makes no sense. Can't have it both ways with squeegees. You're either long and skinny or short and fat. I'll take both.
What? Remember when he said if you want me to clean the outside of that for you, I will.
I'm telling you, we've hit a phase where he does his thing, I do mine. Kind of just coexist back here.
How mad's he gonna be when I go to that drawer and pull a brownie out and start eating them?
I'll clean the smudge off the end of the lens there.
You want a brownie? These are some of our favorite snacks at S3 Window Tinting. Chomps, if you want to sponsor the video, let me know. I do have a question. I don't know exactly why this is. Sometimes, why are these different colors? Why does this one look like, and this one's like a nice brown?
Bro, they taste completely different.
Are they like?
Try them. Legitimately, try them.
I don't want to try them. I just had a brownie.
I don't care. Try them. A little bit.
You want to try them?
I mean, I just ate one. All right. Dark one first.
Wait. Spit on.
No, I'm not doing that. That's the Chomps I know. Weird colored one next. Lighter shade. Looks the same. It tastes more like a jalapeno.
Oh, maybe it is different.
We got a little spice. But this says it's the same. I don't know.
Maybe they're just
Beats
old.
me.
It's still good though.
Well, I don't know. Let me compare again. I think I like the lighter colored one. I think the dark one was way drier.
Yes.
Yeah, we do agree the lighter looking chomp stick, well, at least Connor agreed that the lighter looking one is the better one. So shout out to Chomps. If you want to sponsor the video, let us know. Where is this video going right now? Somebody's watching this. Somebody's gonna watch it and be like, dude, just please, for the love of God, tint the window. All right, we need to squeegee off this dirty soapy water. Then we're gonna go on the outside and roll our film, and then we're gonna throw it on the inside of the window. Gassed up, shoddy. Good thing I just ate that brownie. There's gonna be a bunch of brownie chunks all in this window tint. Gassed up, shoddy. This might be the most crooked roll I have seen in my life. I rolled this with my eyes shut, and Connor squeegeed the windshield with his ass cheeks. That is some funny. That's some funny jazz. It's just hard to make a video all the time and be serious 24/7. Sometimes I like to hang loose. Gassed up, shiny. Ow! Keep the opinions on the outside, please.
My opinions are on the outside.
You might have a crease, but it's clean.
Not another crease.
Ow.
You already cleaned the outside?
I did, yeah. Outside's clean. You want to finish in here?
I can finish in it for sure.
All right, I don't even know where or how to wrap up this video. This has been a how to install, a food review. This video's gone off the rails a couple times. So if you're wondering, this is what it looks like, 45% tint on the windshield. We're gonna pull this outside, let it heat up a little bit, and then go ahead and take it off the window so it's legal for the customer, because like I said, this is illegal in the state of Texas. Let's go ahead and do that. If you enjoyed this video, or if you don't even know what happened, kind of like where I'm at right now, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, if you want to sponsor the channel, let me know as well, because that'd be cool. Oh. Hello? See you next week.